In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your Jotform submission ID, whether you're working on tracking submissions for a project or simply keeping organized records. Understanding how to find your submission ID is indispensable. Let's walk through each step in this process together. First, you'll want to navigate to jotform.com. Once you're there, go ahead and sign in using your credentials. If you're already familiar with Jotform, this part should be a breeze. Those who might be newer to it, remember to have your username and password handy so you can access your account without any hitches. After you've logged in, direct your attention to the My Forms page. This is the centralized hub where all your forms are stored. It's an organized space, making it really efficient to locate the exact form you're interested in. Now go ahead and find the specific form that you need to view submissions for. Think of it like sifting through a filing cabinet and pulling out exactly what you need. Having multiple forms, use the search bar for a quick find. Once you've pinpointed the form, the next step is to click on Submissions at the top of the page. This link will take you straight to the submissions overview for that particular form. Picture it as flipping the page over to see the checklist of entries your form has compiled over time. Now, to identify where your submission IDs are hiding, you'll want to proceed to Jotform Tables. Here, locate the Columns button on the upper right corner. Clicking on it gives you access to the Show Hide Columns menu. This menu is another handy feature, allowing you to customize the view to really suit your needs, showing just what you consider vital for the task at hand. Within the menu, you'll find a check option for Submission ID. Enabling this will reveal the Submission ID column in your overview. This function is crucial as it directly displays a unique ID for each entry you've received through that form. The submission ID is an important identifier, especially useful for tracking and referencing individual submissions amidst a vast collection. And there you have it. You've now successfully located your submission ID, which is prominently displayed in its own column, neatly aligning with other submission data. This task, while simple, unlocks a valuable resource for managing your submissions with precision and ease. By following these steps, you'll have no trouble navigating Jotform's interface to find the information you need. Remember, these small yet impactful steps can make a big difference in how smoothly your project tracking and data management processes flow. Thanks for tuning in and happy form managing.